Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the trouble moving to locked folders error in Google Photos. So if Google Photos won't let you move photos or videos to the locked folder, just follow along. First, make sure your Google Photos app is updated to the latest version from App Store. Next, check that locked folders has already been set up on your device, and if you haven't set it up yet, open Google Photos, tap on Collections, then Locked Folder, and complete the setup process. After that, restart the Google Photos app and then try moving the photo again. You should also make sure your device has enough free storage available, as low storage can sometimes cause errors. Next, check that the photo or video is stored locally on your device. Some cloud-only items may not be eligible to move directly into the locked folder. Another fix is to restart your phone and then try again. And if you're moving multiple photos at once, try moving them one by one to see if a specific file is causing the problem. And if nothing works, sign out of your Google account and then sign back in and try again. So those are the best ways to fix the trouble moving to locked folders error in Google Photos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.